How to remove dark circles. After 50, these 3 oils erase dark circles. Have you ever glanced in the mirror after turning 50 and noticed those stubborn dark circles under your eyes that seem more prominent than ever before? Perhaps you've tried every over-the-counter cream you could find, only to discover minimal or fleeting results. It can be unsettling to feel that no matter how much rest you get, how carefully you adjust your diet, or how diligently you care for your skin, those pesky circles linger and even worsen over time. Many people find that after hitting that milestone age, their skin becomes more delicate and less forgiving, amplifying any signs of fatigue, dehydration, or stress. It can be frustrating, maybe even a bit alarming, to realize the aging process is speeding up, showing itself in places that once weren't a problem. But there's encouraging news. Dark circles are not an unbeatable threat. In fact, you can begin to see improvement and renewed radiance around your eyes by leveraging a few natural solutions that many individuals praise for their remarkable ability to reduce and sometimes practically erase under-eye shadows. The real challenge is identifying which methods truly work and how to apply them correctly, especially for those of us navigating skin changes after 50. We'll explore 3 specific oils that have shown exceptional promise in restoring brightness to tired eyes. By the end, you'll understand not only why these oils work, but also exactly how to apply them for the most effective results. You'll realize that aging doesn't have to be synonymous with looking perpetually fatigued or stressed. Instead, you can take direct, simple action right at home. Yes, there's a bit of fear in the sense that neglecting these signs can lead to more pronounced under-eye issues, but there's also confidence to be had when you know precisely which oils can combat the problem. Let's dive into this transformative journey together. Before we unveil the first oil, let's set the stage for why these dark circles happen so frequently after 50. As we age, the skin under the eyes becomes thinner, and our bodies produce less collagen and elastin, 2 vital components that help keep skin firm, smooth, and healthy. The blood vessels under the eyes may become more visible, while hormonal shifts can trigger dryness or fluid retention. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as sleep quality, stress levels, or even the amount of screen time we endure each day can intensify the situation, leaving us looking fatigued and older than we feel on the inside. The combination of these factors can breed a sense of worry, even panic, because the eyes are often the first place people look when they see us. They're a window to our health and emotions, and if they're surrounded by dark shadows, it can send the wrong message about our overall well-being. Yet, there's an upside here. Nature provides an array of potent remedies, oils packed with vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants to deeply nourish the delicate under-eye area. By picking the right oils and applying them in the right way, you can reduce swelling, hydrate dryness, and lighten discoloration. Up first is a favorite of many skincare enthusiasts. Let's begin with the first oil, almond oil. People have relied on almond oil for centuries, praising its gentle yet potent nourishing properties. It's high in vitamin E, which is not just an antioxidant, but also a skin-soothing nutrient that helps combat the visible damage caused by daily environmental stress. Vitamin E supports skin elasticity and provides a protective layer that can combat dryness, something that is particularly crucial once you've passed 50 and the skin around your eyes starts to thin. Almond oil also has anti-inflammatory capabilities that help reduce under-eye puffiness. Not only can it decrease swelling, but it can also fade the darkness that arises from irritation or fatigue. Here's how you apply it. First, cleanse your face thoroughly, ensuring no makeup or other product residue remains under your eyes. Then, place a tiny drop of almond oil on your fingertip, gently warming it between your fingers before softly tapping it onto the under eye region. A light tapping motion, never harsh rubbing, ensures that you don't pull or stretch the delicate skin. You can leave it on overnight to give it the maximum window to penetrate and hydrate. If you don't already have almond oil on hand, no worries at all. You can check the link in the description for a reliable, high-quality version that many users have praised. It's always wise to choose an option that's pure and cold-pressed to ensure you're getting the oil in its most beneficial state. But don't jump away yet. Wait until you hear about the next oil, which holds a particular secret for rejuvenating the eye area. Moving on, let's discuss the second oil, rosehip oil. While almond oil excels at nourishing and gentle conditioning, rosehip oil is famous for its regenerative properties, which can be a game changer for mature skin, especially after 50. Rosehip oil contains vitamins A and C, both of which are beneficial in combating hyperpigmentation and helping to even out skin tone. Vitamin A, more commonly recognized in its retinol form, encourages cell turnover, giving the under eye area a brightening effect that can lead to the gradual yet noticeable fading of dark circles. Additionally, vitamin C is renowned for supporting collagen production, helping maintain that firmness and plumpness that often diminishes with age. Rosehip oil is also lightweight, which is a huge advantage because the under eye region can easily feel weighed down by heavier creams or oils. When it comes to application, the steps mirror what you did with the almond oil. Ensure your skin is clean, dab a small amount onto your fingertip, and delicately apply it under the eyes. You might choose to use rosehip oil in the morning, possibly under makeup, due to its light texture. Alternatively, you can use it at night if that suits your routine better. Pairing rosehip oil with a gentle massage can be especially effective as light pressure can stimulate blood circulation, reducing the pooling of blood that often appears as dark shadows. If you find you're missing rosehip oil in your current skincare arsenal, I've included a trustworthy link in the description below to help you secure a reputable product. With that said, you definitely won't want to miss the third oil because it has a few surprising perks that aren't widely known but can deliver exceptional results. Now, let's uncover the third oil, castor oil. You may have heard about castor oil as a remedy for thicker brows or longer lashes, but its under-eye benefits are also remarkable, especially if you're focusing on dark circles after 50. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm any puffiness or redness in the eye area. This is crucial because inflammation often intensifies the appearance of dark shadows. Beyond that, castor oil is incredibly moisturizing, providing deep hydration to the thin skin under the eyes, which is prone to drying out as collagen levels dip with age. Properly hydrated skin not only looks brighter, but also feels smoother, making you appear more awake and refreshed. To use castor oil effectively, start once again with a clean, makeup-free face. A little castor oil goes a long way, so place the smallest drop on your fingertip, gently warm it up, then lightly press it into the under eye region. Try doing this a few times a week to give your skin an intense moisture boost without overloading it. Some individuals even like to blend castor oil with another lighter oil, like almond oil, for a balanced treatment that doesn't feel too heavy. And yes, just like the other two oils, if you don't have castor oil handy, you'll find a direct link below to a highly rated product that may suit your needs perfectly. At this point, you might wonder if you can combine these oils or if using just one consistently will be enough. The answer depends on your personal preference and how your skin reacts. Some people see incredible improvements by simply using almond oil every night, while others prefer to alternate among the three for a more comprehensive approach. You could incorporate castor oil on nights when you feel like the puffiness is more pronounced, or you could use rosehip oil for an overall brightening boost. Almond oil might be perfect for days when your skin is feeling especially dry. The main point is consistency. Whichever you choose, committing to a routine over several weeks usually yields the best, most lasting results. Quick fixes might offer a minor temporary improvement, but real change in skin condition often requires patience and a faithful application schedule. Once you establish a routine, you'll notice an improvement not just in dark circles, but also in the smoothness and suppleness of the under eye area. The joy of catching your reflection and seeing fewer shadows staring back can be extremely motivating, inspiring you to continue the practice and maybe even explore more natural skincare alternatives. If you're especially keen to maximize your results, remember that these oil treatments work best when paired with a few additional healthy habits. Consistent, high-quality sleep, proper hydration throughout the day, and watching your salt intake can all help reduce puffiness. Likewise, reducing screen time and using blue light filters can protect your delicate eye area from strain. Gentle facial exercises and a cool compress now and then will also boost circulation. Ultimately, the real foundation for diminishing dark circles lies in giving your skin the targeted nourishment it needs, something almond oil, rosehip oil, and castor oil provide superbly. As a reminder, if you don't already have these oils, you can find guaranteed high-quality options via the links in the description for each product. For example, if you don't have almond oil, check the link below for a trusted product. Before moving on, it's important to note that while most people tolerate these oils very well, it's wise to perform a small patch test before full under-eye application, especially with rosehip oil, which can sometimes cause mild irritation on very sensitive skin, or castor oil, which is richer and may clog pores if overused. Begin gently, and if you notice any redness, itching, or discomfort, stop using and consider consulting a dermatologist. And now let's talk about flexible usage and how you can tailor these treatments to your needs. You can use these oils individually or even blend them together to create a custom treatment. For example, if your skin is feeling extra dry on a chilly night, you might opt for castor oil's intensive hydration. Alternatively, if you're looking for a brightening boost, rosehip oil could be your go-to. Almond oil, with its nourishing vitamin E, works wonderfully as an all-rounder. The key is consistency. Stick to your routine for a few weeks, and you'll likely notice a significant improvement in the brightness and smoothness of your under-eye area. If you ever find yourself running out of one of these oils, remember that I've placed direct purchase links for almond oil, rosehip oil, and castor oil in the video description below. This way, you can easily restock and continue your natural skincare journey without interruption. Lastly, think of these oils as a powerful complement to your overall skincare routine. They not only help diminish dark circles, but can also be extended to improve fine lines, dry patches, and overall skin texture. Embrace the flexibility. Whether you're using them separately or mixing a custom blend, let your routine adapt to your skin's changing needs, especially after 50, when your skin requires extra care and patience. That's it for our tips on how to remove dark circles after 50 using these 3 remarkable oils. If you found this information helpful, please share it with your loved ones on WhatsApp. Maybe a friend or family member is looking for a simple, natural solution to brighten their eyes too. Let's spread the word and ensure that none of us has to live with tired, worn-down eyes when such effective, natural remedies are right at our fingertips.